Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about ductile and brittle fracture. In a stress-strain curve, what does the area under the curve represent? A. Ultimate tensile strength. B. Yield strength. C. Elastic modulus. D. Toughness. E. Hardness. The correct answer is D. Toughness. What is the main characteristic of a ductile fracture? A. Sudden failure without warning. B. Significant plastic deformation before failure. C. No visible deformation before failure. D. Only occurs in brittle materials. E. Always happens at low temperatures. The correct answer is B. Significant plastic deformation before failure. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which of the following best describes a brittle fracture? A. Occurs with extensive plastic deformation. B. Always happens at high temperatures. C. Typically occurs with little or no plastic deformation. D. Only occurs in ductile materials. E. Is always preceded by necking. The correct answer is C. Typically occurs with little or no plastic deformation. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.